Learn Gujarati fast. Funny English too.
Gujarati.
Pronoun phrases. Welcome to today's Gujarati adventure. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Gujarati phrases without sounding like a robot with low battery. We will laugh a little, repeat a lot, and make these sentences stick. Today you will practice real phrases you can use in calls, meetings, awkward crush situations, and dramatic moments worthy of a soap opera. You will learn, can you hear me? As.
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
I see you. As.
હું તને જોઉં છું.
I need him. As.
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
I like her. As.
હું તેને ગમું છું.
I don't know it. As.
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
He visits us. As.
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
I see you all. As.
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
I am meeting her today. As.
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
And I will call you later. As.
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
Look at that. Your brain already deserves tea. The phone call from another dimension. Let's begin with the most universal sentence in modern human history, the sentence of weak Wi-Fi and emotional pain. Yes, the legendary audio check phrase. You answer a call. The line crackles. A goat may be chewing the network cable. You ask.
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
It means, can you hear me? Now imagine the signal gets worse, because of course it does. You lean toward the phone like that helps, and repeat.
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
Mini drill. I say English, you say Gujarati. Can you hear me?
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
Funny memory trick. Picture a giant ear floating over your house asking everybody.
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
Terrifying, yes. Memorable, also yes. Eyes open, drama on. Now let's move from ears to eyes. This is perfect for finding your friend, your dog, or that one person hiding badly behind a curtain. The phrase for I see you is,
હું તને જોઉં છું.
Imagine your friend trying to hide behind a lamp. A lamp. A full human behind a lamp. You smile and say,
હું તને જોઉં છું.
Now for a group. If you see everybody, say,
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
That means, I see you all. Contrast helps memory. One person.
હું તને જોઉં છું.
Many people.
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
Quick echo practice. I see you.
હું તને જોઉં છું.
I see you all.
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
Need, like, and other dangerous feelings. This section is emotionally chaotic in the best way. We go from urgent need to secret admiration in about 10 seconds. First, I need him. In Gujarati.
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
Imagine your team is in trouble. Nobody can fix the computer. Then someone says, very dramatically.
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
Now the softer sentence. I like her. In Gujarati.
હું તેને ગમું છું.
Picture a shy person at a party, holding tea, smiling at one person, then whispering to a friend.
હું તેને ગમું છું.
Meanwhile, a parrot nearby repeats it to the whole room. Excellent. Social disaster. Great memory aid. 2 emotional drills. I need him.
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
I like her.
હું તેને ગમું છું.
When you honestly have no idea. Good language learners do not need to know everything. They just need to know how to say they do not know everything, which is honestly a superpower. The phrase I don't know it is,
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
Imagine someone hands you a mysterious kitchen gadget that looks like a spaceship key and a potato peeler had a baby. You stare at it and say, with dignity,
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
Practice it once more. I don't know it
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
Very useful in museums, markets, and family conversations about old electronics. Visitors, meetings, and busy schedules. Now let's enter the social calendar, where people visit, meetings happen, and someone always says they are too busy right now. He visits us. In Gujarati is.
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
Picture the doorbell ringing every Sunday. A familiar guest arrives, smiles, drinks tea, and everybody says.
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
Next, I am meeting her today. In Gujarati.
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
The key word here is today.
આજે.
Imagine a giant calendar shouting, today. Today, no pressure. Then you say.
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
And finally, the phrase every busy person needs, I will call you later. Gujarati.
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
You rush into a meeting, wave apologetically, point at your phone, and promise.
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
Mini chain practice. He visits us.
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
I am meeting her today.
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
I will call you later.
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
Mini dialogue circus. Time to hear the phrases inside a tiny story. Think of this as a sitcom, but useful. A. Hello?
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
B. Yes, yes. And.
હું તને જોઉં છું.
On video now. A. Great. Also, Raj is missing in.
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
B. Wow, busy day. And who is that on your screen? A.
હું તેને ગમું છું.
B. Amazing. Romantic chaos. Do you know that song playing in the background? A. No.
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
B. By the way, your uncle is at the door again. A. Of course.
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
Every time snacks appear. B. And who are all those people behind you? A.
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
Please stop waving so aggressively. B. So what now? A.
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
And after that.
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
B. Perfect. Try not to confess your feelings to the wrong person. Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Now let's test your memory before your brain tries to escape through a window. How do you say, can you hear me?
શું તમે મને સાંભળી શકો છો?
How do you say, I see you?
હું તને જોઉં છું.
How do you say, I need him?
મને તેની જરૂર છે.
How do you say, I like her?
હું તેને ગમું છું.
How do you say, I don't know it?
હું તેને જાણતો નથી.
How do you say, he visits us?
તે અમારી મુલાકાત લે છે.
How do you say, I see you all?
હું તમને બધાને જોઉં છું.
How do you say, I am meeting her today?
હું આજે તેને મળી રહ્યો છું.
How do you say, I will call you later?
હું તમને પછી ફોન કરીશ.
Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just trained your ears, your memory, and probably your inner actor too. Today you practiced useful Gujarati phrases for hearing, seeing, needing, liking, not knowing, visiting, meeting, and calling later. If you want them to stick, repeat them out loud once more today, once tomorrow, and once when your phone signal becomes suspiciously dramatic. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and come back soon for more English too.
ગુજરાતી.
You are doing great.